controls. Quickley fires away.
Out.
Thank you very much, Katie, as Quickley connects. Quickley zips, takes, hits, plus the...
Yeah, that's the thing. As Quickley knocks down another three. That's the thing Joe Mazzulla told.
Mitchell Robinson sauntering to the scorer's table. Quickley finishes, plus the foul. Williams or Brogdon for Boston as Quickley floats it in. Turns the corner into the paint. Quickley ties it. Immanuel Quickley doing it all. Quickley will launch and hit. Quickley dives inside to the rim. Quickley accelerates, cups, and finishes. Immanuel Quickley in his